Tell them call me back in the AM. Talking all my shit in the morning. Apologize if I act too flagrant. I'll be too damn floored to forfeit. Tell them call me back in the AM. Talking all my shit in the morning. Apologize if I act too flagrant. I'll be too damn floored to forfeit. All of my coffee cups been working overtime. All these habits are so defined. Blazing trails, we been so defined. Who just says no to flying? Send a memo, please notify. This my flagship, they know to flying. Baby, come rock my boat. All that weak shit is not my flow. Don't regret every rock I throw, black and now backstage. Trying to act like it's not my show. Seen the money make 'em act strange. I don't need rest, I just need less stress though. All of my friends should be treated special. Bet that they remember back when no one like me used to hold resentment. Lately been less though, wake before alarm clocks. Live like I farm crops. I know people good at acting cool who are not. If you love me, tell me why you put my heart in the arm lock. This where the harm stops, shit. Tell them call me back in the AM. Talking all my shit in the morning. Apologize if I act too flagrant. I'll be too damn floored to forfeit. Tell them call me back in the AM.
Yeah. And I've been working, lately more focused, I know this for certain. Trying to outdo what I've done, that's my burden. I'm currently trying to find purpose. Man, it's hard to see it when you self-made. Too caught up in the struggle, that's a self-cage. Too addicted to attention, that's a self-praise. Trying to please everybody, that's what hell lays. Well played. 12 days since your last text. I know you with somebody else, I'm a sad mess. You need to tell it to me now, that's a bad guess. I really wanna see it out, it ain't about this. So stressed, I've been patiently pacing myself, but it's hard. Need me a partner that's down for the cause, not just somebody that's with the facade where they trust and accept who you
call
are.
me back in the AM. Talking all my shit in the morning. Apologize if I act too flagrant. I'll be too damn floored to forfeit. Tell them call me back in the AM. Talking all my shit in the morning. Apologize if I act too flagrant. I'll be too damn floored to forfeit.